You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French chemist. If you want to learn more names from the history of science, chemistry in particular, other famous chemist names that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more ideas for you. Pronounced as Victor is the French for Victor. Victor Grignard, indeed, silent D. French pronunciation, Victor Grignard. Victor Grignard. In English, you can say it as Victor Grignard. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.